President Bongbong Marcos has ordered a sweeping review of the Department of Public Works and Highways budget under the 2026 National Expenditure Program. He tasked Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman and Public Works Secretary Vince Dizon to scrutinize the allocations and check for possible irregularities. The directive came after reports that flood control projects, already marked as complete in previous years, still appeared in the 2026 NEP.
Bubusisiin po ito talaga. Kung totoo bang nagkaroon ng mga duplication, nagkaroon ng insertion, dapat po kasi matanggal ito through errata.
Dizon said they aim to finish the review within 2 weeks.
Limitado ang ating oras, no? Kailangan importanteng mapasa natin itong budget na to dahil hindi lang to budget ng DPWH kundi budget ng buong gobyerno. Nag-usap kami ni Secmina at we both agreed it should not be more than 2 weeks. It could be earlier but not more than 2 weeks.
Palace Press Officer Claire Castro meanwhile fired back at Vice President Sara Duterte, who earlier claimed that officials involved in flood control anomalies could be named in just 1 day.
Seryoso lang talaga ang presidente. Tapos na yan, isang araw lang. Matuturo niya lahat ng may kagagawan ng corruption sa budget. As we can see, parang nanonood tayo ng sarsuela.
That is absolutely preposterous. Ang Pangulong Marcos Jr., hindi po siya nagsasagawa ng investigasyon ala tokhang way. Nirerespeto ng Pangulo ang due process.
Castro also showed a receipt claiming that former President Rodrigo Duterte had long been aware of the widespread ghost projects.
Dahil mismo ang dating Pangulong Duterte ay umamin na maraming ghost projects rampant noon. May nasibakbang secretary ng DPWH sa panahon niya.
VP Sara, however, countered that corruption in flood control projects was already a long-standing issue even before her father became president.
Naging mayor ako 2010, meron ng issue ng flood control corruption. And mas worse lang sa atin ngayon.
For News 5, Camille Samonte, we are One News.